Sir Dan Mahilagat. Next, for your MAPI.
So what's up mga ka-vlog? Tara tanawon ta unsay ganap karong adlaw. So for today's video guys, kayo baniko sa akong adlaw karon kay mo ni ang first day high or first day of school. So nabot ko diri sa school guys na sayo sa Kabuntagon kay this is the first day high. So muna mo mga students, so nag-prepare na for our flag ceremony and then short program sa introduction sa mga teachers para makaila-ila sila sa mga teachers diri sa Marcela T. Mabanta National High School. So welcome to the first day of school and welcome to Marcela. So this time, nag-start na siya guys. So muna, naka-arrange na siya from first year padulong sa senior high school. Kaya mag-start na mi for our opening program and then preliminaries in the first day of class. So what's up? So let's go. Og may laila na to ang mga different teachers after aning among flag ceremony. So dito na guys, mo na siya.
Okay, good morning everyone. Wow, very good. Okay, so I am Ma'am Marjorie Magallanes. Ako sa first na mag-introduce akong self. So I am grade 7 Emerald, handling grade 7 TLE, grade 9 TLE, and grade 10 TLE. So I welcome you all for the school year 2026-2027. Okay, so here the grade 7 teachers. Friend, followed by Ma'am Junaira M. Ramos, grade 7. Grade 7, Amites, handling MAPI for grade 7. And then next is Ma'am Geraldine M. Maramara, grade 7, Rose Quartz, handling Filipino grade 7. And then followed by Ma'am Jenny Haro, grade 7, Ruby, our English teacher sa grade 7. And then Ma'am Carmen Q. Acaso, grade 7, Sapphire, handling Filipino grade 7. And then followed by our school, subject teachers. Our math for grade 7, walay laing gwapo, ambungan, buutan na maestro sa math for grade 7. Sir A. Samuel Persilas.
Ang gina bapak malagsak.
Patak yun mo, mabagsak yun first to fourth quarter. Okay, and then for the first term there, isik one? Science teacher, walaing guwapa sa grade 7, Ma'am Eileen Dadola. Ma'am Eileen. Patak, mabagsak pa naman eh. Dahil patak. Values education teacher, Ma'am Marcy Quezon. Wala na. Ma'am Jenny Haro, muna ito, master teacher for the English, Ma'am Jenny Haro. And then another master teacher for the grade 7, Ma'am Carmen Acaso for the Filipino subject. So mga maestra bata ha, dili malibog. So sa mga grade 7 mga bago, Sir Ace for the math, Ma'am Junaira sa MAPI, Ma'am Carmen Acaso for Filipino, Ma'am Eileen Dadola for science, Ma'am Haro for English, and Ma'am Geraldine Maramara for Filipino, and Ma'am Marcy Quezon for values education, and yours, TLE teacher. Good morning.
Teacher in science, kabalangan mo na, grade 9, o ako po diyan. I am Marian Rachel Yu Canyete. I will be your science and ICT teacher. Next one, Miss Jeneline Guillermo, your English teacher. Next, our math teacher, Labang Giitan, Miss Dami Sapos. Alright, next one. O kaway-kaway na mga grade 11. Ow. Let's proceed to Filipino subject. Your teacher will be Ma'am, sanigalan ni Ma'am, Brenda Gutierrez. Ano sa mga palo? Wala rin. Next one, for our values teacher, Ma'am Marian Siagpalo, and our banggitan po na all around, Sir Dan Mahilagat. Next, for your MAPI subject, all around for whole sections, Miss Arian Gay at Gasco. Next, our API teacher, Ma'am Romel, advisor sa mga maestra ha. Ma'am Corazon Bihag, one of the TLE teachers. Wala na inalingtan sa...
So pasensya kay guys kay ang navideohan ra gyud kay ang grade 7 teachers ug mga grade 10 teachers Kay, I don't know, wala siguro natuplok no sa akong isugo sa pag-video. So, mo to siya guys. This is the day. So, the start of school year 2026-2027. So, have a good day ahead. And thank you sa pag-uban karong adlaw. So, bye-bye! See you next time!